Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this telescopic ladder 2.6 meter. We're going to unbox this gear, see what is inside. This will help you to make a fun choice about this gear. This is telescopic ladder. You can use this gear for your loft. Wow, look at that. Here we go. Look at that baby right here. Amazing stuff. Look at that. This is what we got here. Telescopic ladder. This is 2.6 meter. You can see this is what we got here, and this gear is very handy. It's very, you can extend it, okay? And this is the user guide information, how to set this up. Okay, and what we're going to do is basically test this on the floor and see what it's like. Okay, this is very nice and very handy. Telescopic ladder user's guide. Now what we're going to do is to move the chair. Move the table. Now what we have here is you can see the belt to carry it. Okay, so this is the belt. You lock it this way, okay, and to open it up, so to open, you just need to lock it. Okay, to open it, I just need to press and open. So right now, I've not used this before, so but you can see. So it's extending. Right size. So bring it down, you just need to press. Okay, so press it this way and it will go down. So you just need to press together. You can see, to open it up, bring it up this way. To bring it down, press. You can see the movement. So this is very handy. This is for the loft. You can see. This gear is to use for the loft. Then you climb the stairs with it. This one is the one that you need to be on particular spot, then for you to go up. Okay, so I'm going to take, so this is nice, it's very extendable. And see, you need to make sure it's placed on the wall, on the ladder, for you to use it. To close this down, push this together, and it will go down. Okay, so any particular one you want to bring it in, push it together, and it will scroll down. The same thing, do the same thing here, push, it will come down, push. Okay, push the bottom one. This is nice, beautiful stuff. So this is very handy. It's extendable. Okay, extendable. And also information: never climb or stand on the top 3 rung. You can lose your balance. Failure to read and follow instruction on this ladder may result in injuries or death. So you need to be careful when using this. But I like it. You can see it's very extendable and it's economical, and also where you put this on your step. Okay, and you just need to bring it together this way and you close it. So this gear deserves your attention. This is Telescopic Ladder 2.6 meter. Can use it for your loft, can use it to do the painting on your wall. So really depend on what you want to do. Okay, this gear deserves your attention. You can see right now it's locked up. To open it up, just need to press here to open it up. Now once you bring it up, okay, you can see now to close it, you just need to figure out where you want to close. If you want to close it down, just press this together. Make sure you do it by the side. Press, come down. Press, come down. Okay, press. Okay, you just need to be. Okay, this is nice. I'm going to take you to the loft. Okay, for you to see how handy this is. Okay, so this is nice. This is Telescopic Ladder. Okay, this gear deserves your attention. I thought to show you. It's very, very nice. This is 2.6 meter. Okay, 2.6 meter, and it deserves your attention. The beauty of it is, you see, it's extendable. Likewise, you can close it down. You can adjust it to a particular length you want. Okay, you can see how it's moving. You can see. Okay, now put this on the ladder, adjust it. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I'm going to take this and show you this, how it looks like on the loft. Okay, if you're happy with this unboxing and overview, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is Telescopic Ladder. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.